You are all discussing about you. Okay. I think since students are still joining, we'll start. Okay, I think now it crossed 71. Okay, once again after a very nice tea break, I hope you are now energetic than me. So there will be a combined energy. Around 80 plus students combined energy is going to come. So nice to see all of you once again. Okay, we'll go for the second part. This is a very big part. So don't worry, I will try to complete within 1 hour time. We'll complete. And you have to enjoy the class. That is also important. So we'll go slowly but steadily and ends with very fast. Hmm? That is what we expect. Good. So the second part is concerned with the how you are going to compete yourself in professional ethics. We have discussed who is called a professional people. If you want to have a professional people, what are all the qualities you have to practice? It starts from the branding you and ends with smiling also. These are all the essential qualities. Now, based upon these essential qualities, how you are going to compete with your peers. Here, in case of ethics, there are no competitors, no friends, no enemies, but you have to have an USP and unique personality. You have to develop yourself something unique. Everybody will see you in a unique manner. How these people will see based upon your decision, how you are taking a decision. If you are working in a very big organization as a CEO, how you are taking decision. Based upon the decision, they will tell about you. That is very important thing. Let us see. Most of the CEOs, they are thinking about their professional ethics. What is good, what is bad. It is very, very tough to judge. Is it ethical or unethical? Some things we can easily judge. Killing a person is unethical. That everybody can agree. But a police is killing a prisoner in encounter. Whether it is ethical or unethical, anybody come on.
Unethical, sir.
Unethical. Yes, I think Melvin Thomas.
Sir, it depends, sir.
It depends. Good. So
Because
now the yes, come on.
if he was a wanted criminal, then killing him is ethical.
Oh, wanted criminal means killing them. See that one. You that is important thing. How a person is taking decision. Killing a person is usually unethical, but killing a criminal, some of them are ready to accept killing a criminal in encounter. See that one. That is how and wise decision has to be taken. You know, once there was a big flight accident. Today also we are going to discuss one story. In case of flight accident, one of the governor of Andhra Pradesh has been taken over by the pilot, and suddenly he saw that some extraordinary winds are coming on. So he wished to save the governor of Andhra Pradesh. So immediately he landed in the roadside. So what happened? He saved the lives of entire people. Those who are traveling in the flight. It happened in 1997. In case of now it is in Telangana. He saved the entire people traveling by the time was traveling in that flight. He saved the lives. The flight landed in a very big highways. The pilot has been awarded Paramveer Chakra. See that one. Paramveer Chakra is the biggest award for bravery. But you know what Pilot Association did? Pilot Association terminated him. He was moved out of the job. Whether it is ethical or unethical? Tell me. Come on. The pilot saved the lives of the human being. He has been awarded with the honorary award by the President of India with Paramveer Chakra. But he was terminated from services. Why? Yes, somebody, come on. Why no answer? Come on. See that one. How you can judge is ethical or unethical? I think Sudhakar is having another idea. Sudhakar, come on.
Sir,
Hmm.
it's
Whether it, yes,
according to the company, it didn't mean that ethical, like landing and in a highway was not ethical to the company, but saving life to the government, it was ethical to the government. According to the company, it was.
yes, good. See that one. Two different views. That's what Sudhakar also quoted. You must know that one. The entire people of India accepted him equal to a god. But the company says that no, this pilot didn't follow the guidelines. So we have to terminate him. His pilot license has to be cancelled. See that one. That is the problem in case of deciding whether it is good or bad. That we used to call how we have to take decision in this area. This is called professional ethics. What type of ethics we have to follow. That is important. In theoretical one, we used to call it as, I need not wish to give importance for such type of theory. My dear students, if you are able to decide what is good or bad for you and others, then you are a successful one. That is called the professional ethics. We can't decide a good, we can't decide what is the bad. It is good for somebody, it is bad for others. Here is another example. You can read the tram. I have shown that one. An out of control tram is ready to kill 5 people who are stuck on the track. In another place, there is only one person. Whether you will flip the switch to kill one person to save 5 or you will kill 5. See that one, the train is coming in a direction. If the train moves in same direction, 5 people will be killed. But if you change the switch, that means the gang man used to change that one. If the gang man changed that one, in the track there is only one person. He may be killed. What will be the decision of the driver? Tell me. Come on.
The ideal division would be to, sacrifice one for the sake of,
Yes.
public.
Yes, sacrificing one person for 5. But it is also unethical because he is killing a person. These are all not criminals. See that one, dear students. That is the problem in case of ethics. Most of them are encountering these type of ethical issues in business. They are unable to take decision because of these things. That is why we need code of ethics. For professionalism, they created the ethics. You will study in corporate ethics separately what are all the corporate ethics. But here we are discussing human ethics. We have to protect everybody. This very tough job. How you can practice that one? How you are able to take decision in this type of scenario? That is important. Another story, you might have seen the example of the Titanic. I hope you might have seen the film Titanic.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it an ethical one? The captain of the Titanic. Who is that person? Anybody? Come on. Captain. What is the name of the captain? You seen the film, you know? Or you might have read the newspaper. Titanic film. Once it was very famous film. You can see
I guess
what?
some Smith, sir.
Yes?
I just remember the last name Smith.
Smith, yes, good.
Edward.
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 So you can, yes, good. Some other answers are coming. See that one. In case of Titanic, I think some of you know about that story. It is a very interesting story. But in the maiden journey itself, the ship came across a big problem. That is, more than 1,250 persons were died. Even then, 866 persons were rescued. You might have seen how they were rescuing the people. But the major decision has been taken by the captain. What is the role of the captain? You can see in this image, the captain is seeing the iceberg is approaching. He knows that definitely iceberg will hit. The ship is going to be damaged. So what type of decision he has to take? What is his professional thing? You might have seen in the film, first they used to give importance for the first level passengers. Those who have got the first class ticket, then the ladies, then other passengers, then only the persons of crew members in the ship. They created a code of conduct in this Titanic. Because if any issue comes, we have to safeguard. That is why code of ethics are essential. Even though it is a maiden journey of Titanic, they decided first itself, if there is any issue, who will be identified first? Who have to escape first? But you can see the face of the captain. That is the thing. He has to afraid of everything. He knows definitely nobody can survive. But how he did his job. Even though there are a number of criticism, what is the ethical thing? Whether we can safeguard the first class passengers or whether we can safeguard the third class passengers. That was the issue. But he has to take very good decision. In such a case, only we have to follow the code of ethics. He died, he knows. But he has to follow the code of ethics. After his death, nobody will call. Even then, the captain decided to follow the code of ethics. First instance, he made the life-saving boat to escape the first class passengers. Then the ladies, then other members, then only crew members. Lastly, the captain of the ship. See that one. These are all called code of ethics. To have a very good professional life. Now, we are having the professional ethics, a code of conduct that you must know. That is why in case of professional ethics, it is essential for the business also. It is not only for the human values, but these type of professional ethics are now followed in all the business. Without ethics, there is nothing. Even the United Nations mentioned clearly what are all the ethical values a business unit can follow as well as human can follow. At present, 17 principles were created by the United Nations. We used to call it as Sustainable Development Goals. I think some of you heard about that one. In case of ethics, what we are going to follow. The United Nations created an SDG principle, Sustainable Development Goals. Follow that one. It is acting as the code of ethics for not only for business unit. They fix the standard for the countries, the governments, the public. They fix the standards. Let us see very quickly What is the code of conduct of ethics created by the United Nations? You know, you are going to practice. When you want to create your moral values, ethical values, try to follow. Here I am going to quote some few examples how the business units are also following. Once upon a time, everybody mentioned that United Nations created the code of conduct only for the governments. It is not like that. In case of the business unit also, they are following. As an MBA graduates, you must know these principles. That is why I consider this one. What are all the ethical guidelines they are given? There are 17 principles. Let us see all the 17 principles very quickly. After that, we will move on to the next ethical one. First one. What before that, in case of India also, we are following the SDG, that is Sustainable Development Goals. Every year, we used to organize the program to find out which companies are doing an ethical practice based upon the sustainable goals. Sustainable goals are now considered as the code of ethics. You must know code of ethics. In Titanic, they created a code of ethics. Who has to be escaped or even who has to die first? They created a code of ethics in Titanic. Same thing here. Now we are having the code of ethics based upon the sustainable goals. It is purely based upon the sustainability. Whatever the business unit, do everything ethically. First one, the goal number one, no poverty. You can earn more profit, but ethically, you have to contribute to the concept of no poverty. That is why they used to create a CSR values and mention there should not be any poverty. You can see the example of the Project Shakti from Unilever. They created a very good concept. You know about the Hindustan Unilever. They are giants. They are earning crores and crores. But see that one. Their ethical value in the form of CSR lies in Project Shakti. They identified the small people, women, and they are giving the business to them. And they decide to reduce the poverty by giving the Project Shakti to them. See that one, the small industries, they can manufacture some things, and Hindustan Unilever will take the responsibility of selling those products. That is the ethics created by the Unilever to alleviate poverty. We have to try. Profit is not our own motive. Will come, but you have to do something to the society. That is why these type of principles have been created. The second principle, zero hunger. Make hunger-free nations. With the help of your earnings, you are running in your home. We are not hungry, but at least we have to make contribution to the hunger-free. The business units in India, they created the concept. Here you can see the concept of LG. They mention hunger-free India. They are very good in electronics business, but bring the smile back by providing hunger-free India. See the ethical code, how they created by the LG. They decided to follow from the SDG, Hunger-Free India campaign. With the help of profit, how you can contribute to others. See that one, students, you have to follow such thing. Then only your business will improve. Likewise, you can see somebody is mentioning in Coimbatore. That is why suddenly I added. This is one of the organizations in Coimbatore who is feeding to the people, poor people freely. Others, they are charging only 5 rupees. Hunger free. They earn huge money. What is the use of this money? See that one. We are having some moral responsibility towards our nation, towards our people. Make them hunger free. Basic essentials we have to do, making them hunger free. And next one, third one is good health and well-being. Identify some things to do. Whether everybody is in good health, contribute to the health of others. If you are good, contribute to others. Your contribution is very, very essential for them. You can see the business, very big business person, we have discussed in the previous class, Bill Gates. You know, according to the statistics, 97% of the income of Bill Gates goes to the foundation. That is why he is having his own moral values. Dear students, see that one. What? He is a big millionaire crore-body, but where he is spending the money? He created number of foundations, especially to eradicate the HIV. And now he is contributing for the purpose of corona, how to eradicate. That is why he is a well-satisfied person. The moral responsibility is with him. See that one, the goal for equitable quality education, especially primary education. United Nations mentioned, contribute yourself, create a code of ethics to contribute to the education. Especially in case of India, you might have seen the ITC. I think in school level, you might have used, even college level, you might have seen the notebook called Classmate. Have you ever purchased the Classmate notebook?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is mentioned in the Classmate
sir.
notebook? What is the unique one? Yes, tell me, anybody. If you are buying Classmate notebook,
We purchase, they'll contribute to education of girls children.
yes, good. See that one. That is the moral value they created. Contribute to the education. If you are buying this notebook, they mention at least 1 rupee you are giving to the education. So far, the ITC has contributed more than 3 crores. See that one. That is the ethical value, how these people are creating. Next goal, gender equality. Give importance for both gender. Create a sustainable goal for both gender. Never discriminate in your business as well as in your personal life. See that one. Here is an example how PNG in India, they are creating a Siksha program. I think some of you know. Even they mentioned they are going to contribute for the women's education. And even they mentioned that they are going to create the advertisement made by women. We see equal. See that one. That is how the moral value comes out. If you are practicing that one, see that one, you will be satisfied. Your customer will be satisfied. Your family will be satisfied. We are equal. Then, next goal, clean water and sanitation. The business units tend to provide clean water. These are all the things government can't contribute in 100%. You have to come forward in your moral values, how we can contribute to that one. You can see the Tata Foundation, big unit, Tata Water Mission. They are creating such thing. Tata Water Mission has been created by the Tata groups, especially they targeted in Rajasthan. I think somebody is from Jabalpur everywhere. How Tata Mission is working, they are creating something for contribution to the good water. They are distributing the water. The entire cost has been borne by the Tata groups. See that one. That is why everybody is giving respect to Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata, the respect is coming from his own work, his own moral value created by him. They are doing that one, Tata Water Mission. Next one. The next goal, creating the sustainable modern energy. Use the renewable energy for your business. Don't go for electricity, everything. Try to move. Everybody will accept you. Here is an example. one organization in Hyderabad. Some of you may be in Hyderabad. In Ayaka, one of the stores, they mentioned that we are going to replace our small auto rickshaws into an electric vehicles. The reason to reduce the pollution. See that one. Moral values are coming like that. Renewable energy. Of course, there is another goal. They decided to go for changing to electric vehicle. First phase, 20%. They are going to change. See that one. The change because they know the problems of using the problem. How pollution is polluting the entire Hyderabad. They created a mission for the sustainable development. Next, see that one, the goal number 8, inclusive and sustainable economic growth. You have to consider everyone when you are doing business. Never consider yourself. See others, what they are doing. You can see the very good example of the L&T. L&T is a very big construction company, but safety is first. Safety of the worker is first. They mentioned zero incident credo. They mentioned zero incident. Your safety is very important. Give importance to the worker safety. They did it in L&T. There should not be any injuries. There should not be any diseases. You have to treat your workers in such a manner. Definitely, most of you may run a very big business by 2025 or 2030. By this time, you have to inculcate these type of moral values. That is essential. That is why we are discussing now. When you are practicing your MBA program itself, you must know. Here is another example of the same thing. How the Walmart created the things. Next sustainable goal is building resilient infrastructure. If you are constructing a very big building for your home or for your business, consider the sustainable industrialization as well as resilient infrastructure. Create a building. If you are having huge money, how to utilize that one? You have to create for a sustainable one. You can see in case of Siemens, a big business organization, they constructed a Dubai airport in such a manner that 20% energy has been saved. Siemens are working. Never depend upon others. We have to depend upon ourselves. That is how the Siemens introduced that concept in constructing the Dubai. That is the sustainable infrastructure. Everywhere you have to see, then only your moral value tends to increase. You can't see your own behavior, but others also. Likewise, reduce the inequalities. If you are running a business unit, never give partiality to one person. Never give importance to only one person. Try to reduce the inequalities. Same thing has been done by the Maruti Suzuki. You can see that the example of Maruti Suzuki. They introduced the concept workplace equality. Workplace equality means not only gender, but also they used to consider even a small worker and security person, as well as the person who are working in top level, all are equal. They used to give importance for workplace equality. See that one. Give importance. If you are having your own business, call everybody, take a group photo. Then you can see the satisfaction of your own workers there. How he will respect you. The respect comes automatically. That is the workplace equality. That is the ethical standards. You are going to create your code of conduct. Then, creating the sustainable cities for human living. Now you can see in Bangalore, I am seeing from your class itself how it is going to be congested. Of course, due to this corona, now less congestion. Otherwise, you can't go in the roads. Now, I think in today onwards, you can see more vehicle. But your aim is not like that. Create a sustainable city. You can see the example of Cisco, or you have to contribute. Your contribution is for that one. Cisco, one of the famous organization. You can see they used to create a sustainable cities and small city concept. They introduced. Contribute yourself for that one. If there is any waste, how to reduce the solid waste? Create your plan. Make it that successful. Everyone will live happily. Never assume that you are the only person or I am the only person to live. In case of the world, every person should live successfully. That's what the Cisco created. Next important thing, 12th goal, they mention create responsible consumption and production. Whatever you are producing, create an ethical product. Never create a product. You may have more innovative ideas, but that product should not create any dangerous effect to anybody. You might have wondered to see first organization in Asia is Samsung. Samsung created a ethical manufacturing. I don't know whether you are using Samsung phone or not, but Samsung policy is very clear. They are following the ethical standards in production. And they mention clearly in their host country. They are seeing the waves of your mobile phone, how it is coming. It should not harm to the person who are using the Samsung mobile. The Samsung mobile has been designed in such a manner to protect you from the such type of electricity waves. That is radio magnetic device. That is the ethical manufacturing. If you are manufacturing a device which will attract the people, very good signal will come, means definitely it will harm you. In case of Samsung, definitely the signal will be less because they are giving importance for the ethical manufacturing. If you are a manufacturer, give importance for that one. You might have seen the film Robot 2. The world is not only for humans. See that one. Think about that one. It is for everybody. That's what in case of RoboFlip, you might have seen that one. That is the ethical values you are creating to a society. Then only climatic action. Whatever you are doing, try to adapt according to the climate change. We have to live in this earth. Our generation has to live. So what we are going to do for that one? Very important thing. You can see this is an example from the Hindustan Unilever. How they are reducing the carbon effect, reducing environmental impact. Half. They mentioned we are using plastic. How to reduce the plastic use? Think. You can take a pledge. I won't use plastic. Hindustan Unilever, in their sustainable plan, they made 14th principle declared by United Nations, life below water, because most of the shipping vessels, they are polluting the entire sea. Think about the living organism in the sea after 50 years. If the situation is going on after 50 years, nobody can live in sea. Even the entire sea will be polluted. So what is your moral responsibility? Try to reduce that one. Here, one of the shipping company, Maersk India Limited, they created a very good concept how to reduce that one, polluting the seawater. They created the concept called Blue Movement to protect the sea. See that one, that is important thing. Your business values. You are studying MBA, not only profit. See that one. These are all the essentials for you to create a moral value. Next sustainable goal is life on land. Not only under the sea, land. That is the 15th goal they declared. Give importance for the animals also. As in RoboFlip, you might have seen, the importance not only for the human being, try to give importance for others. Even the broadcasting organization, telecasting organization, NDTV, they mentioned the concept of campaign, the Tiger agenda. They created that one, Save Tiger. See that one. These are all the things essential. We have to protect others, not only human beings, but also the living organism. That is the moral ethics under this one. 16th goal, practice peace, justice. That is important. Peace. It should come. That's what we discussed in previous class. See the other person in front of you as your customer. Then automatically peace will come. You have to give justice to your own workers. See that one of the bank, ANZ Greenlace Bank, they introduced that concept, peace and justice. That is important. Anybody can fight against others if there is any grievance. They are ready to give the justice. How the United Nations developed this goal, see that one. ANZ Greenlace Bank, they are following that concept of this 16th goal. 17th goal. That is the last goal mentioned by the United Nations. Partnership for all the goals. Link with others, do sustainable work. See that one? Join hands with other persons who are doing such type of ethical things. That is important. If you have identified somebody is also doing well, join hands with them. You are able to survive. That is the thing. The 17th goal mentioned. Very good example, even the business they are doing. The example from the Mother Care, one of the famous organization, even it is in India. They created one concept called SEDEX, Supplier Ethical Data Exchange. They mentioned that they will buy the wholesale product only from certain organization who are following the ethical standards. They mentioned supplier ethical data exchange. They mentioned as a business unit of Mother Care, they mentioned somebody is following the ethics in manufacturing. We will buy from them. See that one, how they created. That is join hands with the such a people. If they are doing the ethical things, join hands. Another big organization is following now. You might have seen the General Electric. They mentioned they use the blockchain technology for creating the global chain. They also mentioned same thing. We are ready to buy parts for manufacturing. We will buy only if any organization is following the sustainable policy. For that purpose, they created the blockchain. One of the IT firm, Accenture, joined hands with General Electric, and they are doing that one. These are the 17 goals as mentioned by the United Nations. Dear students, this is a very good code of conduct for ethics. Try to follow that one. It is not only for individual persons, but also business people. I have included as the ethics because you are going to be the business students. What is your role? You have to decide based upon the sustainable goals. The world is not only for us, it is for everybody. Think like that. Think in a wide manner with your brand value. You are able to run. And very good example now, some of the university students, they are following SDG. Even we have introduced for our one of the some of the I think in second trimester. SDG is very important. This creates the moral value for you. try to follow at least 2 goals. Then see your satisfaction, how others will think about you. Your name, your brand name will directly come. If you are doing some best practices with the sustainability, automatically your name will be mentioned by others. Your brand value will increase. Your moral value will increase. That is what is mentioned under the SDG. So now you are going to chat, or anybody can tell what is your first priority in SDG. Come on. Any students? We have discussed 17 SDG principle as per the United Nations. Anybody can come forward and tell which one you will give priority. Come on.
Hello, sir. This is
Which?
Melvin, right?
Yes, Melvin.
Yeah, so for me, I think the main priority at this point should be towards the nature thing. Like we are taking a lot of things from nature and we never tend to, give it back anything. So in my childhood, like we always studied in EVS, like how, all these activities are going to affect the climate change and stuff. But 10 years later now, we are actually seeing the deep implication of all those things.
Good.
So I think the, main preference should be given to, the nature stuff from my side.
Good, Melvin. You are done. Any other students? Come on.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, your name?
So,
Andrews.
sir, actually, the thing which I would be focusing if it was sustainable development, it would be actually no poverty, because
Yes.
if you actually take the current scenario and everything, when you go for a walk outside, it hits you in a different level when you see that, when you see small businesses that even they are taking the opportunity with this sustainable development and growing, and how you can help them as a manager, how you can help them as a as having that level of knowledge, how you can help them grow also, something like that, sir. Like
Good.
eradicating poverty in India.
Yes. Very good. Eradicating the poverty. Good, Andrews. Any other students? Only one response I need. Yes, Jackson, come on. Any other views? I think Jackson, you raised your hand.
Sir, I would say
Ah,
responsible consumption is also one of the most important ones. Like most of the companies today can actually follow that. It's not just one or two companies. Every companies can actually follow responsible consumption and production in their system.
good. Yes, quoted the example of Samsung. Responsible consumption and production. Good. So students, these are all the things essential to create the ethics. Let us go to the second essential part. If you want to practice this type of code of ethics, what type of qualities you need? This is from the another psychologist. I think the same name is coming here also, one person called Andrews. This is Andrews Wilson, one of the famous psychologists from France. He mentioned, if you want to practice your code of conduct, what are all the essential qualities you have to practice? He mentioned, this is a psychologist view, to practice all these goals, but he never mentioned the sustainable development goal. Andrews Wilson clearly identified, if a business people or even if a human being wish to create an ethical value and sustainable value, what are all the qualities he read? He identified this and very big research. And 2 years back, he published his work and it is having lot of acceptance. Let us discuss this thing. This is essential in your practical life. As the first code Kevin mentioned in the first class, here it is Andrews Wilson. He mentioned some of the things the humans should practice. First one, mutually fulfilling behavior. You have to fulfill everybody. That is how sustainability comes. The business values should be like that. You have to fulfill the behavioral part of others without knowing gender or anything. See that one. That is why has shown the example of Bahubali. I need not worry about whether hero and heroine. It is not like that. How the human beings are considering to fulfill the behavior of others. Here the hero wishes to teach to heroine how he is fulfilling the behavior. I am not concerned with the love story or not, but you have to join hands with others and fulfill the behavior. Then he mentioned automatically the sustainability will come. If you join hands with brother or your sister to do some climatic action work, you are cleaning your home. You are fulfilling the behavior of everybody in your house. Definitely, same thing will come into your business, in your professional life. That is the value according to him. So he propagated first, mutually fulfill the behavior. Join hands, go down, do, join with them. We have seen the industry, I think HCL, Shivanada. He came down, he sat along with the kids. He used to have a dinner with them. See that one. He used to fulfill the mutual behavior. Everybody should satisfy. Even we have seen the Satya Nadella morning, how Satya Nadella is coming down. Try to fulfill the behavior of others, joining hands. If you join hands with your peers, work with them, definitely the ethical values automatically come from you. That is the first suggestion given by the Andrew Williams. Next one, confidence in oneself. You have to be confident with you. I hope some of you might have seen the Kaun Banega serial, Crore Badi. Kaun Banega Crore Badi. How Amitabh is creating the confidence among the others. Whether you are absolutely correct, you might have seen. Have you seen the serial, Kaun Banega Crore Badi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Why Amitabh is asking such question? Are you 100% sure? Are you absolutely correct? Why? Come on, tell your answer.
To check if they're confident enough in their answers.
Good. What is your name? Ritika. Huh?
Yes.
Good, Ritika. Confidence. So if a person in front of you are unable to tell anything, give the confidence level to him. Never take confidence from others. Be clear. This means that you are already having confidence. Your self-confidence level will be high. Now, what you are doing? You are giving confidence to others. You have to give the confidence in oneself. In case of the Kaun Banega Crore Badi serial, it's a very good example. Whether you are confident, if a person in front of you he is afraid of something, you have to make them confidence. That is the thing. Then automatically the value will come. Somebody mentioned sustainability in production. Very important thing. If you are using your own product, if it is not having sustainability, you may think, you may be a very good phone manufacturer, but you itself knows that the phone is very good for communication. It will give very good signals, but your mindset will say, if you are using this phone, your condition will come down because your brain will be affected by these waves. You know, whether you will use, you won't use. That is the confidence. Based upon your product, you have to give confidence to others. Create confidence. Make them automatically. Your ethics will come out. Next one. You should be very, very clarity about your own goal. Who are you? What you are asked to do. Be clear. That's what I have to show the example. I don't know what happened really, But based upon some of the stories, you might have seen the recent Kozhikode accident. The captain, the pilot of the flight, is a very experienced person. You know that one, I think till today, only 20% died. All the other persons are escaped. How? What is the role of the pilot? You can see that one. He has won number of awards. See the moral value of the pilot. I think somebody mentioned he roam around the Calicut airport, Karipur airport, twice, thrice. That means the petrol used to dry that one. If it landed, it should not catch the fire. If fire catch or emerges, definitely nobody can escape. He decided to escape others, but he sacrificed himself. That is another story. But he is very clear. He knows that there are some issues, whether he's not cooperating with him. But his role is to safeguard others. What he did, he made that one minimum loss. That's what. Others have to price him. Even though it was mentioned as the accident, or some cases it may be an incident, I don't know. But see that one. What is the clarity level of the pilot? That is the moral responsibility. That's what he mentioned. Andrew Williams mentioned. You should be very clarity about your own human goal. You are a pilot. You have been assigned for that one. That means you have to save the passengers first. It is your priority. According to the Kevin, passengers are your customers. You have to safeguard them. He did it. That is the moral value you must know, dear students. Here, same thing has been mentioned. If you practice that one, automatically it will come. Next, he mentioned mutually enriching interaction. You have to join hands with others, enrich the interaction. Here you can see in this picture, we need not worry about whether the two persons are good or bad. It is relevant. But when both of them are entering into a very big crowd, see that one. They are friends only by the nature, that is later on only. Only recently, within 3 years, they become friend. The one country prime minister, other country president. But when there was a crowd, they wished to enrich themselves. They used to create. What they did, they used to cherish everybody, mutually enriching their interaction. If both of you are going to a hotel, you know other person is very hungry. What you will do? Give respect to them. If first the waiter is bringing the first food item, give to him. If both are not hungry, both of you can take, share, cheers, do it. That is the mutually enriching. Automatically, your ethics will explore from you. That means you are ready to recognize others. You are ready to recognize. If you are able to recognize your peer members, both of you can join hands and go in a manner. That is called mutually enriching interaction. Try to follow, dear students. Even if two of you are going in the same direction, see others, what they are doing. You have to enrich in the same manner. Here, for a political advantage, both country, their representatives are taking the enriching interaction. That is how your behavior should change. Automatically, here everybody will price, okay, India and US is going in same direction. You have to create something upon the public, whether it is a brand building or not, whether it is a good or bad. Never worry about that one. But we have to enrich each body. Then, the next principle he mentioned, catering to real human needs. Same thing what we have discussed first. Here you can see 70 years old Ratan Tata bent down and taken the photograph. I don't know whether it is real photograph or somebody has sent in the WhatsApp or in Facebook or in Twitter. But of course, the Ratan Tata didn't reject that one. He also accepted. But see that one, a 70 years old person, he is a crore body. But he used to bend down along with your young employees. See the status quo. Hey, everybody used to say around 25% Indians are in the hands of Tata. Because Tata Group is such a very big organization. He is running a small country equivalent to Bangladesh. Because Tata Groups are having such employees, number of persons are working in Tata Group. But the chairman of the Tata Group, what he is doing, see that one, he used to bend down. When he recruited the young fellows, when he saw all those things for taking a photograph, he joined hands with them. He never saw, I am a big person, how can I bend down? You have to cater the needs of the human being. See that one. Others are doing, by that time, if it is a good cause, join hands. That's what I told. Have a lunch with your parents. Practice that one. If you are with your friends, join with them. Identify. Take one day. Go and sit along with the orphanages or with the elderly person. Give them sweet. Enjoy with them at least for 1 hour. You will see your happiness. That's what the psychologist mentioned. Next, he mentioned enhancing human interaction and cooperation. Cooperate with others. Respect others. You can see two businessmen joined hands. Do you know who is bending? Anybody? One person is Ratan Tata. Who is the other person? Any guess?
Narayan Murthy, sir.
Yes, good. Who mentioned? Ayush.
Muhammad Naushir, sir.
Muhammad, good. Narayana Murthy. You can see. They never say that we are all North Pole and South Pole. We won't join. Now, of course, North Pole and South Pole will join. They never say that both are competitors or they are big persons. Tata is running TCS, Narayana Murthy is running Infosys. They never say that we are all big persons. We should not bend down to others. See that one. That is the human interaction for cooperation. Narayana Murthy bent down in front of Tata. See that one? That is the enhancing the values of each person. In another side, you have seen the role of Tata. He bent down for his young workers. Here, that's a karma. Here, Narayana Murthy bent down towards the Ratan Tata. He never mentioned that TCS is my competitor, TCS is grabbing every business from us. He never mentioned like that. Respect your competitors. Gain. Automatically the ethics will come among you. If you are practicing, that's what the psychologists are saying. Next one. We are moving at that one. Collective happiness. Make yourself collectively happy. That is important thing. Relax. This is taken from the old movie. Why I selected the scene? Even with kids, they used to dance. We have seen the Jack Ma dance. Dance like a Jack Ma. use to dance. Make a collective happiness. At least try. Join with your dad, your mom, even with your pet animals. Because now pet animals are also used to dance. Whether anybody is having pet animals with you now? Call your pet animal, show to me. Everybody can see. You can join that one. You can sing a song along with your family, your friends. Call everybody. Never mention that if there are 5 persons in your home, call all the 5 persons. Never hesitate. Even your grandparents, they find it difficult to join hands, but call everyone. Join hands. Make collectively happy. You will realize your moral value. That is a very, very important thing. The psychologists are saying, you will know what others are thinking. Now, if you are calling your grandma, come along with me, let us dance. Definitely, grandma will tell her problem. Baby, I am unable to dance with you. Anyhow, I will come and see. She will tell, because of my leg or because of my old age, I can't come. But grandma will be satisfied person because you are calling your grandma to join with you. You now know the problem of your grandma. See that one? Join hands. Create your collective happiness. Anybody, I have to see somebody is ready. Call your brothers or sisters. Have a dance. At the end of the session, I think we are having only 2 minutes to end. So be ready with that one. After the closing of this one, I have to see somebody should dance. Not alone. You can call your sister or brother or your grandma, grandpa.
But what if someone is alone at home?
You are someone in alone. Okay, those who are with somebody. Alone means you may have some pet animals, you know. You can dance with that one. Your cat will enjoy. Your pet dog will enjoy. Everybody will see. We are seeing. We are your customer. We will enjoy. Then the ultimate happiness will come. That is the moral value. Practice that one. Never think about, studies, profit, where is the profit, what is this calculation, your gross profit, net profit. Leave that one. The profit will come if your mind is broad. That's what they mentioned. Very interesting thing. Even the very big business people, you might have seen the Garba dance. So we have discussed the Vinit Nair and Anand Mahendra. You know the Anand Mahendra, whenever he decided, he joined hands with our army people in army camp. And he used to have the Garba dance. The reason, the army also now respecting the Mahendra group. How it changed the value. His mind is relaxed. He is giving motivation to others for him. Others are thinking, let us realize our values. They used to dance, Garba dance, here. See that one, these dance activities, these singing activities make you feel happy to come out of your values. If you are practicing, automatically you know others. This really is something essential for a human being. As a human being, you want to know what are the problems of others. If you are dancing, it is not only for your purpose, but to relax your mind, also create a very good value. That is essential at present. Dear students, that is why, I don't know, in television, serial, everywhere they are having the dance. Even in case of cinema, if there is no dance, you are not ready to accept that one. Why? We are having such thing. It is not only for entertainment, but it creates the value for you. It shows that you are a very good, transparent man. You are ready to accept that views. If you are practicing, I am not telling, the psychologists are telling, if you are doing that one, your moral value and your ethics will come and join hands. Here, the last suggestion mentioned by Andrew, join with others. Very good example I have shown. The past president, Abdul Kalam, used to join hands with others. See that one, the smiling face in the president as well as smiling face in the kids. If everybody is laughing, everybody is smiling, not laughing, even smiling, that shows that you have achieved your moral value. Dear students, that is important. How the President Abdul Kalam created. Try to practice and create a moral value. Join hands. Respect others. Create your own ethical value. I hope this Andrew Williams, the very good psychologist, he mentioned, if you are practicing all these suggestions, definitely the ethical values will come. That was his suggestion. Dear students, try to practice. That's what we expect. And never think that we are not ready to do. Now you can call anybody. I have to see your face along with dancing. Come on, let us cheers and leave. Now you are mentally tired. So you have to relieve from your mental fitness and you have to expose your moral values. Cheers with others. Call somebody. I have to see some dancing movement from you so that your moral value will boost up you. Come on, who is ready? I expect everybody to open your camera. Come on. Good. Rekita is ready. Numaria is ready. Jacob is ready. Alan, come on. Anybody can sing a song or play your music, somebody, along with some friends in your home. You have to dance and cherish. Come on. Why you are worrying? Don't worry. Yes, it's Mohammed is ready.
No, sir.
Why you are saying no? I expect yes answer. Even if you are not ready, I will dance later on. Come on. Vaishnavi? Ah, good. Rachana is showing her pet. You can see the pet of Rachana. Somebody can see that one. Now the pet is ready. Her dog, very good. You are showing the pet. You are dancing with that one. See that one. The human values they are creating. How your pets are behaving with that one. Rachana is showing her pet and that pet is giving both as well as Akila Mohan. See that one. How you are embracing your values to your pet animals. And somebody you can, yes, I think Richu Rai. I think your sister, Richu?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. I have dance for just few seconds, Richu. Everybody will see. Both of you. Come on. Yes. Come on. Let them clap and encourage them. Why everybody is sitting? You can have to motivate. Come on, Richu. Why? Just a line. You can see Archana pet, Akela Mohan pet, all these pets are ready to join with you. Good.
Yes, sir.
Come on. You can dance one thing. I am seeing others and Andrews, then Sharon. Why some of them they are not open their camera? Why? Thomas, I think Thomas Charya Paul. His brother is with him. Call your brother, why? Thomas, call your brother. I have to see their face. That
He's
is
not willing to.
He's not willing.
I like it.
Call. Join with them. Yes, Rima, Raji, she joined hands with her sister. Nice. Make everybody happy. Let us see another group. Here in Jason, Joseph, Robin, Rai. They are alone. They have not opened their camera itself. Why? Good. Yes, Alan Augustine with the kid. You can see the face of the kid, how Alan is giving moral value to that kid. Her smiling face. That is the thing. Human values. Very good, students. That's what. Likewise, you have to create your value. Join hands. I hope today you are going to have food, lunch with your peers, your family members. Make everybody happy. I think, Ritika, your pet is playing with you?
So he's playing with my sister.
Sister, good.
Yeah.
You are making everything happy. Good, Rachana. You can see Rachana pet, what it is wearing. It is wearing a glass and seeing everything. It is focusing to us. See that one. This is the real human value. That's what you have to practice to relax. Business will come, profit will come and go. But this type of thing, you can see Rachana, how she is feeding and helping others. For Rachana, her pet is now the customer. Enjoy that one. I think Richu, Roy, good. All these things. I think boys, you are not showing anybody. Only girls except Alan. Whether you are happy?
Sir, we are alone.
You are alone.
We only have.
Good.
Yes, sir. We are all alone at home.
We are all alone.
Why I am expecting everybody should have some sort of enjoyment. Good, students. So make this type of policy, enjoy with your peers. This will enable to create good values. So bye. I have to thank that Rachana's pet also. Rachana, what is its name?
His name is Joey, sir.
Joy. Oh, you can see
Joey.
Joy. Name itself is different. What about Akila Mohan?
Zoe, sir. Zoe.
Zoe. You can see it is making sound. When I am asking, her pet is answering. Good. What, Ivan? Ivan, you are crying.
No, sir.
Ivan, whether your sister studied you, Irene? Ivan Rai?
Yes, sir.
Where is Irene then?
Sir, Irene is not here, sir. She went outside somewhere.
Why? My call her. I thought you will dance with Irene.
She's not here, sir.
Good. Dear students, this is the enjoyment. Even though you are in different place, you are seeing others and make yourself enjoyment. Now Ritika pet is joining with her. Richu sister is joining. This is the moral values you must know. Thank you, students. We will meet next week. Until then, bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Rachana, bye your pet.
Sir.